Today question is maximum level sum of a binary t. So we have to traverse level, we have to do level order traversing and return the maximum sum at each level, and the level at which there is maximum sum we have to return that level number. Like this is 1, 2, 3. So here the sum is 1, here the sum is 7, here the sum is -1. So the highest sum is at the level 7. So we have to return level. This is 1, this is 2. So we have to return the level 2. So we have to do the bridge search here in this level order traversal. So let's do that. So we will need a queue for that. So let's import queue and collections, import dq. Simply we can create a queue by click calling this dq. Let's append root at the starting. Queue dot append root. We can put maximum starting as the lowest. So float minus infinity, and answer level can be set as 1. Now let's traverse. So while queue. Yeah, and one more thing, we can set the label to 1 initially. This can be used to track the level at which we are finding the maximum sum. So simply while queue, pop out the value, queue dot pop left. No, we have to pop all the values at the same level. No? So first we have to take out the size. So n is equal to len of queue. First we will take out the size so that we can traverse all, and simply we can define as level sum to find the level sum at each level. So we can give that particular thing 0. Now we can simply traverse line range to the size of the queue, means there are that much element at that particular level. So for iron range, simply pop out the value node is equal to q dot pop left and add this value to the label sum. Label sum plus is equal to note that well. Okay, now here's a typo mistake. So now if there is a left node, if node dot left, simply append that in the queue. And if there is a right node, append that too with the node q dot append node dot right. And finally we can check if label sum is greater than max sum, then max sum is equal to label sum and answer label is equal to that particular label. And finally we can increment the label value as we will be going to the next level and return the answer. Return the answer level. Now let's try to run the test cases. Yeah, it passed. Let's try to submit this now. Okay, thank you.